a texturizing powder, right? Texturizing powders have been making a big surge lately, right? Because of what they do. They can actually be used in completely dry hair without any product in there. So if you're somebody that gets out of the shower, you dry your hair, and then you want to add a little bit of texture, a little bit of volume that you can restyle throughout the day, sprinkle a little bit in, you don't need a ton, and then work it into your hair. Now, you can also use it as a finisher, right? Like I am. I've used the sea salt spray for volume. I used then a styling product in order to give it some hold, but then I come in afterwards and just use a little bit of the texturizing powder just to give me a little drier, separated, more voluminous look, right? It's a great natural way to add volume that you can come in later in the day and then restyle if you need to, all right? It's amazing to actually give your hair more weightless volume. This gives your hair a nice natural volume, right? Without looking too like polished and like combed. I hate that like super combed like brushed look. I like something that looks a little bit more natural. I think it looks sexier and better.